That quick sneeze or burp can have a big impact on the breath test. It's important to understand that these breath machines are somewhat sensitive insofar as that regurgitation, a burp, something like that can impact the results of it and show potentially a result that doesn't truly and accurately depict what your BAC is at that time. In theory, before you take the breath test, at least the one back at the station, there's supposed to be what they call a 20-minute observation period where you're free from burping, vomiting, anything that may impact that test. In reality, a lot of times you don't understand that you're being part of that 20-minute test, and you may be doing these things and the officer may be filling out paperwork and may not notice it either. It's very important if you're going to take that breath test that you have to do so under proper conditions. No burping, no regurgitating, nothing for at least 20 minutes before that breath test.